Let me ask you something. How many times during a semester have you forgotten a deadline? Opened your notes the night before an exam and realized they're a mess? Wasted hours studying without retaining anything? Or felt like you're constantly busy but never productive? Well, me too. In my third year of university, I was drowning. 3 majors, a part-time job, group projects, and a social life that was becoming non-existent. I was working 12-hour days and still failing 2 classes. I was stressed, overwhelmed, and honestly, close to quitting. That's when I discovered Notion. And I decided to build a system that actually worked. A system that organized my tasks, but also my entire academic life. And today, I'm going to show you the tool I built, the Notion Student Planner, that helped me go from failing to acing all my assignments in one semester. Unbelievable, right? But trust me, it's that good. Most students use Google Calendar for deadlines, a Notes app for lectures, Excel for grades, sticky notes for reminders, and their brain for everything else. Sounds familiar? The problem is, your brain can't handle this much information. And switching between 6 different apps every day overloads your brain. Every time you switch tools, you lose focus, time, and clarity. But what if there was a place where everything, like classes, deadlines, notes, grades, habits, live together? That's how the Notion Student Planner was born. This is the academic dashboard, your command center. On the right, a clean sidebar with navigation, quick Q&A information, an automatic exam reminder, and sticky notes. On the left, a day notification center, quick action buttons, and all active courses. In the middle, a full timetable where I input my lectures, connect them to a course, and write down time and location. Below, I have my monthly calendars for assignments and tasks. See these color-coded labels? They tell me what type of deadline I have. Exam, assignment, quiz, project, and so on. And they're not just dates. Click on one and you'll see the status, due date, and countdown, the corresponding course, and the grade percentage and weight. These are connected to the grade calculator. But there's more. For every type of deadline, I have templates to organize all information and execute assignments accordingly. For example, here you can see an essay template with a to-do list filtered for this specific assignment. It automatically pulls in tasks connected to the essay. This alone saves me at least 2 hours a week in planning and mental load. Plus, below, I've created the template for the essay structure. It literally tells me everything I need to do for a specific assignment. Now let's go into the Uni Planner. Here I can see all my active courses for the year. Each course has its own page, but it's not just a page, it's a full knowledge base. Click on a course and you'll see all key information on top, including the grade, which is automatically calculated. Below, I've got the overview and syllabus, filtered views of deadlines and tasks, and all my notes neatly organized for easy access. I can input the reading list for the course and all course information here in the right column, including the assessment information. And look at this, a lecture note template with an active recall section to help me study and retain only the information I know is going to be in the exam. No more blank page anxiety. Just structure, clarity, and consistency. Imagine searching all your notes from all classes in 2 seconds. That's an academic superpower. I also have a multi-year course planner and a dedicated goal planner to stay accountable and maintain motivation towards my goals. Let's discuss assignments. I've created a dedicated page for this purpose, which helps me stay focused. I use 2 calendars to track tasks and deadlines. Additionally, I have organized 2 sections to categorize my deadlines by type and to filter only those related to the current month. This organization allows me to prioritize my time effectively and block out deep work sessions accordingly. And what about grades? Many students, and I was guilty of that, tend to guess their GPA or wait until finals to find out if they're passed. Not anymore. I use a grade calculator that displays all my completed assignments. You can filter this view to show only assignments for the current month or academic year. By inputting my grade and the weight of each assignment, the system calculates my weighted grade and current mark, which then reflects in the curriculum database. Next, let's discuss study methods. So, studying more does not mean studying better. So, I have set up a dedicated study room equipped with an integrated Pomodoro timer and a revision system that has transformed my study routine. I organize all my active courses according to my mastery level, which indicates how well I know the material for each course. This self-evaluation system encourages me to assess my understanding of the subject and to approach my study sessions and revisions intentionally. This strategy is crucial for excelling in exams and enhancing performance. Rather than studying randomly, I focus more frequently on the subjects I feel least confident in. I typically follow a 1-3-7-14-day schedule for spaced repetition, although this can vary depending on the course and my retention of the material. The day since last revision column, combined with the mastery level, helps me determine the date for my next study session. Also, the notes database below allows me to access my notes without leaving the page, removing distractions. I can enter the study room and remain there until I'm satisfied with my revisions. This is strategy, understanding where to focus, when to make an extra effort, and when to reassess my approach. It's a data-driven method of studying that has led me to reduce my study time by 30% while improving my grades. University isn't just about grades though. It's about sustainability. If you're not sleeping enough, eating well, or managing your money, no planner will save you. That's why the system includes a habit tracker to track sleep, exercise, water, and study consistency, a monthly budget planner for food, books, subscriptions, and emergencies, and a contacts database for professors, TAs, group members, and internship coordinators, with tags and birthday reminders. Being a successful student isn't just about academics. It's about building a lifestyle that supports success. You're not just buying a template, you're buying time because setup takes 10 minutes, not 10 hours. You're buying clarity because everything is structured and intuitive. You're buying confidence because you'll always know what to do next. And you're buying peace of mind because nothing falls through the cracks. It's an investment in your academic success. The Notion Student Planner is available right now. When you purchase it, you will also receive lifetime updates, a comprehensive video tutorial, and our support if you encounter any issues. I've put years of trial, error, and optimization into this system, and I'm confident it can change your university experience, just like it changed mine. Click the link in the description to get instant access, but don't wait until finals weeks to get organized. The best time to build a system was last semester. The second best time, right now. University is hard, but it doesn't have to be chaotic. With the right tools, you can be the student who's always prepared, always on track, and actually enjoys the journey. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What's the one thing you struggle with most as a student? I read every comment, and who knows, maybe I'll build a feature for it. Now go build your system, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy planning!